16ನೇ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಅಂತಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರೀಯ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರೋತ್ಸವದ ಈ ಹೊತ್ತಿನ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ಈಗ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿರುವ ಸಿನಿಮಾದ ಹೆಸರು ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಲೂಪ್. ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರು ಅರಣ್ಯ ಸಹಾಯರವರು. ಈ ಚಿತ್ರದ ಕಾಲಾವಧಿ 74 ನಿಮಿಷದ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದು ಹಿಂದಿ ಭಾಷೆಯದ್ದಾಗಿದೆ. ಈ ಚಿತ್ರ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಿನಿಮಾ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಾ ವಿಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರದರ್ಶನಗೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತಿದೆ.
Welcome to the 16th Bengaluru International Film Festival. We are now screening Humans in the Loop, directed by Aranya Sahai, a 74-minute Hindi language movie from India, being screened under the category Chitra Bharati Indian Cinema Competition. We are very honored to have the director here amongst us today. Sir, if you would please.
ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಚಲನಚಿತ್ರ ಅಕಾಡೆಮಿಯ ಸದಸ್ಯರಾದಂಥ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಿಗೆ ಮೊಮೆಂಟೋ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಗೌರವಿಸಬೇಕಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೇನೆ.
So, would you like to speak a few words about the movie?
Hello, it's great to see a hall filled up for any filmmaker. Yes, sir. Somebody wants to say something. Okay. Okay, this is a film about an Adivasi woman who begins interacting with AI while working in a remote data center in Jharkhand. It's based on something that's actually happening in a few parts of India, including Jharkhand, Rajasthan and Telangana. I have a small request. I know you might have films to catch or immediately you would like to leave after right when the credits are rolling, but there's a small scene which completes the film for me as a maker. I would request you to sit through the credits. It's a small credit roll anyway, and see the last scene. Thank you and have a great screening. Thank you.
We request you to kindly switch off your mobile phones or keep them on silent as to not cause any disturbance and enhance your viewing experience. And once the screening is done, we can have a Q&A session with our director here. So whoever wants, please be seated. Thank you.
ಎಲ್ಲರಲ್ಲೂ ವಿನಂತಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಫೋನ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಥವಾ ನಿಶಬ್ದದಲ್ಲಿಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.